everyone, so today I want to show you a process of how to do a soldering. Before I start tell about the process, I will tell you about what is soldering. So soldering is a joining process used to join different types of metals together by melting solder. Solder is a metal alloy usually made of tin and lead, which is melted using a hot iron. So the iron is heated to temperature above 600 degrees Fahrenheit, which then cools to create a strong radical bond. So the process of soldering, it has 5 steps, all of it. So firstly, the soldering iron is connected to the plug. Secondly, the iron is tested on wet sponge to know if it hard or not. Thirdly, the soldering iron is placed on the stand. Make sure you don't touch the tip of the iron, as you can get burned because it is hot. Next, the component leg is put into PCB board. Finally, the component leg is soldered onto the PCB board using soldering rig, which is melted with the soldering irons. All the components was connected to the PCB board. Make sure to turn off the soldering iron switch after using it. Thank you.